Hello everyone, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for the week starting today, 24th of February 2020. Before I go into the trading ideas, let me announce the winners of the contest for the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. Right now on your screen, you should see the names of the winners. There are two winners. So congratulations guys, just send me an email and I'll send you the indicator. And I'll do another contest for the next week. What you need to do to participate in the contest for the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4, you only need to leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on Facebook and also on YouTube. So there'll also be two winners next time. One winner will be from the YouTube comments and the second winner will be picked from the Facebook comments. Alright, so that's for the little contest for the flexible volume profile. And let's now go into the trading ideas. Let's start with intraday trading ideas. What you see before you is my intraday trading workspace. This one is a 60-minute chart with weekly profiles. Those are fixed weekly profiles and weekly VWAP. Now this chart is a 30-minute chart with flexible volume profile and daily VWAP. And this chart is a 30-minute chart with simple fixed daily profiles. Alright, so that's how my intraday trading workspace looks like. Those charts are linked together so they always show the same trading instrument. This is how I can always have a nice overview of the market. So let's get into it and let me show you two strong resistance zones which I have on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. The first one is at 0.8829 in here, and it is based on the trend setup. Currently, as you can see, there is a strong selling activity, and in situation like that, I'm looking for significant volume clusters. So, first one was actually in here. This was the reaction to it. So this one is already tested. Then the second one in here, not tested yet. So I think that sellers who are pushing the price downwards were adding to their selling positions in here. And when the price makes it back to this level, I expect a selling reaction. I expect that those sellers will start defending their selling positions again and they'll try and push the price downwards again. The same as they did in here. Alright. Now the more distant resistance is in here at 0.8865, and this one is based on the volume accumulation setup. Now, as you can see, before this new selling activity started, this one, there was a pretty long rotation, and inside this rotation, massive volumes got accumulated in here. The heaviest volumes at 8865. And I think that those volumes were volumes of strong sellers who were building up their selling positions in here, and afterwards they started selling, pushing the price downwards. And I think that when the price hits this level again, I think that those sellers who accumulated their selling positions there will start defending their selling positions and push the price downwards from this level again. Now, if you look at this chart, you can see that those levels are very nicely visible there. This one in here, the higher one in here. Actually, the higher level is also the point of control of the previous week, which means that the heaviest volumes throughout the whole week got accumulated there. Right? Pretty nice confluence. Now, there's also one more thing, and the thing is that this level worked as a support. When the support got breached in here, it became a resistance. It is a price action setup, and as you can see, it confirms the volume-based setup, which we have in here. Alright, so that's for the Australian dollar, US dollar. Two strong intraday resistances there. And let's now move forward into the Australian dollar, Swiss franc. So what we have in here is a bit similar scenario. There was a strong downtrend, or there still currently is a strong downtrend. And within this downtrend, I'm looking for significant volume clusters. So if we look at this chart, this is the downtrend. And the closest significant volume cluster which I would like to trade, which I consider a strong one, is in here at 65.08. This is the place where the volumes are the heaviest in the volume cluster. So I think that sellers who are pushing the price downwards and who currently are pushing price downwards were adding to their selling positions in here, and then they started selling again, pushing the price even lower. So when there's a pullback to this level, I think that those sellers will start defending their selling positions and they'll push the price downwards from this level again. Now the second level, second resistance, is at 65.66, and it is based on those heavy volumes. As you can see, there was a rotation, and from this rotation, aggressive selling activity started. Alright, so this indicates that in this area, sellers who are building up their selling positions, and afterwards they started aggressive selling activity in here to push the price downwards. So when the price gets back to this level again, I think that those sellers will start defending their selling positions and they're likely to push the price downwards from this level again. Now, if you look at the weekly profile, this one, you can see that those levels are very significant ones. First one is in here, very nicely visible on the weekly profile. And the second one is just a little bit below this level, which is point of control of the whole week. Alright, it's just like 4 or 5 pips below it, which is kind of cool because it's another confluence to the level. So that's the two intraday resistances on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. And let's now have a look at the last trading level, which I would like to show you in this video. This one is also intraday trading resistance, and it's on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. So let's have a look at it. So in here, again, this is a pretty similar scenario. There was a downtrend, and within this downtrend, I was looking for significant volume clusters to participate in the downtrend, to jump in a short. The first significant volume cluster was in here, in this rotation. I was already talking about this one. There was a reaction to it. This was the reaction. And with this reaction, this level was already spent, so I discarded the level. I won't be trading it again, but there's another level at 0.8445. And as you can see, there's another significant volume cluster in here. You can also see it on the weekly profile right there. It's just a little bit above previous week's VWAP. So what I think happened there was sellers adding to their selling positions in here, afterwards pushing the price even lower. Currently it seems that there are some buyers present pushing the price upwards, and when those buyers push the price to this level, I think that those sellers will start defending their selling positions and they're likely to push the price downwards from this level again. Alright, so that's for the weekly trading ideas, guys. I hope you like them. I hope you found them interesting and useful. If you would like to learn more about trading with the volume profile, you can visit my website. There's a lot of cool stuff you can learn from. What I recommend is getting one of my educational packages. You go to trading course and tools in here, and right there you can choose from the educational packages. The first one is called the Learning Pack, and this one is your best choice if you want to get in-depth video course, which will teach you how to trade with a volume profile. In this pack you'll also get my volume profile indicators, which I developed for NinjaTrader 8 and the MetaTrader 4 platform. Then there is the trading pack, and this one is ideal for those who would like to trade with me every day, who would like to receive my intraday and swing trading signals every day. And with this trading pack, you will also get the volume profile pack for NinjaTrader 8 and for MetaTrader 4. Now, what I recommend is getting the Elite pack. And the reason is that the Elite pack includes all the above. So it includes all content from the Learning pack, as well as all content from the Trading pack. It also includes the volume profile indicators, and also it includes the VWAP indicator for NinjaTrader 8. So anyways, that's for this video, guys. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, and until then, happy trading.